Hello, everybody. Welcome to Fengqiu Pumps. Here, I'm going to introduce you our products. The Fengqiu products. We have a logo here. Yes, we know pumps. We have building pumps for more than 45 years, so we know pumps and we know what you need. First, I'd like to take you to our showrooms to show what we are building currently. These are all the goods we export to all over the world and for the domestic China market. First, the submersible stainless steel pumps. As you can see, we build various kinds of stainless steel pumps. These corrosion-resistant stainless steel pumps are made of 304 stainless steels, and we have different kinds of pumps for your applications, like the clear waters. We have a screen size here, and for the little solid handling, we have the sewage pumps here to pass the at least one 0.5 inch solid handlings, and we have the on-off flow switch to control the pump, and we have the top discharge choice, we have side discharge choice, so you can always find the right pump here. And here's our submersible sump pumps. As you can see, we have two kinds of different looking pumps. The top four items are for the European market, which they have the cast irons on the top and for the volute, and they have the stainless steel motor housing in the middle. And the bottom four items are for the US market, which is all cast irons. They are very good for your basement, for housing using, and for some light commercial use. And here are our grinder pumps. Grinder pumps are more popular now in the pump market. You see, we have all kinds of grinder pumps, the stainless steels, the cast irons, the high head, and the high flow grinder pumps. And we have different kinds of grinder rings, like these ones are the slicer designs, and we have the conventional designs, we have the cutter designs also, and you can always find the good one for your applications. And I'd like to introduce these are our new grinder pumps. We call it FNG model, which is extremely high head, can pump up to 320 feet high. I will show you a video for how it works. See, it can grind the cross, the plastic bubbles, the grafts, cross grafts, and even for the diapers, it works perfect and clog free. Very good for residential use and for commercial use. before. And next, our submersible sewage pumps. We have sewage pumps from 2-inch discharge to 4-inch discharge, and we have the side discharge and the top discharge. Handle the solid from 2 inches up to 3.5 inches. And we have the submersible sand pumps. These pumps are ideal for waters with the soils, with the sands and dirties. Like this one, we have the top discharge, and all the waters goes around the motor to cool it down. And it is quite popular in the European market. And we have the multi-stage pumps. We have these for all the stainless steel materials, which has 7 stages, and the waters go around the motor with top discharge and with the head up to 77 meters. And we have this QX model can pumps up to 127 meters high, which is very high head. And we have the plastic pumps also here. These are very good for the waterfalls, for the backyard and the coil pond. And I'd like to introduce you this special model, PWM model. We call it a wet rotor pumps. All the electrician parts are sealed in here, and the waters goes around inside the motor to cool it down. So this pump is very efficiency and very lightweight. And we also build our submersible motors. These motors are comparable to Reliance motors, which is from 1 horsepower up to 60 horsepower. Different type, different choice for mount. You can mount a water end to turn it into a pumps right away. And these are our pre-assembled pump stations. We build the pre-assembled pump stations for your kitchens, for your toilets, and we have a E1 replacement package, which is quite popular in the United States. And we also have the customized pump station project. Like this one is a turnkey project. We do everything in our plant. We do the pipings, we do the valves, the control panels, the alarm systems. All of them are built at our plant and shipped to the field. We call it a turnkey project. I will show you a video for this. We build the pumps at our plant, ship to the field, dig a hose, put it in, and done. Easy for installation. And we also have our castings built. These are the impellers, and these are our lift-out stations. And we build the control panels also customized. And now the engineering pumps. These non-clog sewage pumps are good for the industrial use, for municipals, for water treat plant. We have the pumps from 1 horsepower up to 420 horsepower. And we have a WQN model, which has a cooling jacket around the pump itself. So the cooling liquid will circulate around the motor to cool it down. So these pumps can be dry installed. And we have a mixed flow pumps, which is pumps a large volume of waters up to 26,000 gallons per minute. These are the family trees for these models. And we have the X2 pumps for flood control, for agricultural irrigation systems, which can pump up to 60,000 gallons per minute. Very large volume of water. And we have our lower speed propellers and the submersible mixers. These two items are good for the sewage treatment plant, which for the applications needs to stirring or mixing the waters. And as a pump manufacturer, we know quality is always the number one concerns of our plant. So we have all kinds of certifications. We have the CSA, the UL certification for the North American market, and we have the TUV, the CE certification for the European market. And to ensure to get the good quality goods, we have our plant certified by the ISO 9001 for the quality management systems, and we have the ISO 14001 for the environment management systems. These two certifications can ensure us to build good quality goods. And we thank you very much for watching this video. If you need anything, for more information, you can go to our website at www.fengqiupumps.com, and we welcome your inquiries. Thank you.